How to remove facial verification in Binance. Step-by-step guide. Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to make things easier for you. In today's guide, I'll show you how to remove facial verification in Binance quickly and safely. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app. First, launch the Binance application on your device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Now, in your profile menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. This section contains various security features, including passkeys, authentication methods, email verification, and password settings. Step 4. Disable facial verification. In the Security section, you'll find the option for facial verification under the passkeys or biometric section. Instead of using facial recognition, you can switch to email verification. Simply select the email option and link your preferred email address to your Binance account. Step 5. Confirm the changes. After linking your email, Binance will ask for confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once confirmed, facial verification will be removed from your account. Final thoughts. That's it. You've successfully removed facial verification in Binance. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.